You know, you need to understand Satan's nature versus understand God's nature. There's a two voices consistently fighting for influence inside humanity. One pulls people toward pride, dispassions, and distraction and self-worship. The other call people toward truth, love, humanity, healing, and life. To understand the spiritual warfare, you must understand the difference between the nature of darkness and the nature of God. The nature of Satan in the Bible, Satan is not just presenting as an enemy outside of the people, but also as a corrupting influence that attacked the heart, mind, identity, and the purpose. Number one, Satan disordered the truth. One of the most first things darkness does not twist right in the Garden of Eden. The serpent did not begin with the virus. It began with the confusion. Did God really say? That's confusion there. Darkness attacked the truth first because confused people are easy to control. Satanic nature twists the word, manipulate the emotion, and create division, normalizing the sin, and makes truth look offensive. Number two, Satan feed pride. The enemy's nature says, worship yourself. You don't need God. You're above corrections. Follow on your desire. Pride is dangerous because it is makes a person untouchable. Pride heart refuse accountability, reject wisdom, and hides blackness. Seeks control over surrender. Number three, Satan brings distractions. Darkness never creates light. It only collapses what is already exists. The enemy destroy marriage, peace, identity, and purity. And most of them is purpose, families, and mental stabilities. So you find you never make things right. Everything is not working out for you because it destroys your trust.